What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Huh? Hey guys, it's a little early for this, but Smacks likes to, you know, run his mouth. So anyways, my Civic, the Integra, once again, back at it with those brand... Oh, my door just shut by itself, yo. There must be some motherfucking ghosts up in this shit. Nah, but look at this. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, oh. Automatic as fuck. That was terrible shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all here's majestic as fuck, bro. Look, I live in the middle of nowhere, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. You know, that's that, guys. So make sure you go ahead and check out Twitch, Bad Kids HD, YouTube, Bad Kids HD, Facebook, what is it, Bad Kids HD, Twitter, you type in BAD Kids HD, it's all Bad Kids. Stackz.